Hi, my name is Bob Snyder, and I'm here today to ask you a question. Who's responsible in a hit and run, and how do you enforce that responsibility? Now, recently I've had a case, as I have in many other occasions, where a pedestrian was walking down the road in the evening, and although she was on the right side of the road over near the curb, she was struck by a car coming up behind her without any warning. Well, yeah, I guess the first question that you want to ask is, why is she in the road? Well, in this case, it was easy. There wasn't any sidewalk, so that where she was walking on the highway, and there wasn't any shoulder, was permissible as long as she stayed to the far right. Now, since the car that struck her kept going, where and how can she recover any damages for the injuries that she suffered, which were very serious, including a brain injury? Well, the answer that you may or may not have been aware of is she is entitled to recover damages under the uninsured motorist coverage of her own policy, or any policy of any member of the household in which she resides who is a family member. And this can end up being a substantial amount of money if there is decent coverage against uninsured motorists that has been purchased. Similarly, the coverage can be multiplied times the total number of vehicles in the household if the person has purchased that coverage, which they should always. The cost of uninsured motorist coverage is very, very low compared to not having that coverage when you need it. That's all we're going to talk about in this video, and we'll have more in other videos on the topics of hit and run accidents. Call us at 610-265-8050 if you have any other questions concerning this or any other aspect of the law, or look for us on the web at snyderinjurylaw.com. Thanks.